Yes, today we are going to start one special chapter. Its name is quadratic equation. First of all, what is meaning of quadratic equation? See here, if Px is a quadratic polynomial means any polynomial which have degree 2. Then if Px is equal to 0, it means if quadratic polynomial is equal to 0, then it is called quadratic equation. Okay. Now what is the standard form of it? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Where a is not equal to 0. A never be 0. Okay. And a, b, c are any real number. Okay. Let's see some examples are here. Here one example is 2x square plus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, first of all, just you see, this is quadratic equation or not. Yes, here degree is coming 2, then we can say yes, this is your quadratic equation. Then what will be the coefficients of x square, x and x? Okay, and in other way I can ask, what is the values of a, b and c? Here coefficient of x square, this is a. I can write a is equal to 2, b is equal to, this is coefficient of x, this is 5, and c is equal to 7. This is okay. Come on, second example. Minus 7 square plus 6 is equal to 0. First of all, you check this is quadratic equation or not. What is in our definition? Our definition is any quadratic polynomial is equal to 0. This is quadratic polynomial, isn't it? Yes. This is equal to 0. Here a is not equal to 0. A means what? Coefficient of x square. See, coefficient of x square is not equal to 0. Okay. Now come on. First of all, yes, this is your quadratic equation. We can say yes. Okay. Second thing, what are the values of a, b and c? A is coefficient of x square. Clearly see here. This is minus 7. A is equal to minus 7. Now coefficient of x. Here x term is not there. It means clearly b will be 0. Here b is 0. And what is constant? 6. This is c is equal to 6. Come on for the next one. X square equal to 7. Can I write like in this way? X square minus 7 equal to 0. Then you judge. This is quadratic equation not? Definitely it is a quadratic equation because this is degree is coming to. Okay. So we can say yes. What is the coefficient of x square? This is 1. Coefficient of x is not there. It means this is 0. Coefficient is not there. What is the constant term? This is your minus 7. Okay, come on. Next one. First of all, you check this is your quadratic equation or not. This is x square, it is okay. Here x power minus 1. Here it is 3 upon x is coming. If I write like this, x square plus 3, x power minus 1 is coming. Power is coming negative or power will come in fraction. Then it not will be a quadratic polynomial. If this is not a quadratic polynomial, then we can say it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, here power is in fraction. How? X square plus 2. What is meaning of under root x? This is 1 upon 2 minus 7. And it is not a quadratic polynomial. So we can say it is not a quadratic equation. Yes. Third point, roots of quadratic equation. So what is meaning of the roots of the quadratic equation is, see, a real number a is said to be a root of an equation, that is px is equal to 0. If P of A is equal to 0. Now see here, I am taking one example. See, x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. You have to check it. These two are the roots of this quadratic equation or not. See here, for x equal to minus 2 I am taking x equal to minus 2. So you have to find out P of minus 2. Okay, see here, I am putting on place of x minus 2. Minus 2 minus. Yes, then minus 2 square is what? 4. Minus minus plus 2. Here is minus 6. 6 minus 6 is coming 0. Then we can say yes, x is equal to minus 2 is a root of quadratic equation. Come on for checking x equal to 1. For x is equal to 1. Check it, P of 1. Put here 1 square, 1, then 6. I am putting 1 here, then 6. 1 minus 1 minus 6. See, 1 minus 7 again coming minus 6. But this is not equal to 0. So we can say x is equal to 1 is not a 0 of it, or in other words, what can I say? X is equal to 1 is not a solution of this quadratic equation. Yes, let us take one more example. See here, x square plus 2 minus root 3x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. You have to check it, these two are the solution of this quadratic equation or not. Okay, first of all I am taking for x is equal to root 3. For x is equal to root 3. Now I am going to put here root 3 square minus 2 minus root 3 as it is. On place of x you have to put root 3 minus 2 root 3. Root 3 square is what? Root 3 into root 3 is coming 3. This is 3. Now use distributive property. 2 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 2 root 3. See, 3 minus 3, this is 0. And 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is coming 0. So, x is equal to root 3 is coming 0. It means what? This is the solution of this quadratic equation. We can say yes. This is x is equal to root 3 is the solution of this quadratic equation. One more it is. This is x equal to minus 2. For x is equal to minus 2. We have to check this is solution of this or not. Okay, for that what to do? You have to put minus 2 on place of x. Then put minus 2 here. Minus 2 root 3. Now see here. Minus 2 into minus 2 will come 4. Okay, this is 4. And here minus 4. Minus minus plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3. Minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 is 0. And plus root 3 minus root 3 is 0. So we can say again it is coming 0. X is equal to minus 2. If we put in that equation, it is coming 0. What is the meaning? We can say x is equal to minus 2 is a solution of the given quadratic equation. So we can say yes. Now come on. First question. Check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. Okay. First question, first part is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Come on. See what to do. This is your a plus b whole square, no? What is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Come on here. A square is x square. 2ab. This is 2ab plus b square. B square is what? 1 square. And 1 square. Here this side 2 into x, 2x minus 2 3s are 6. Here x square plus 2x plus 1. Send this side minus 2x, and here plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, both cancel out. Here what will come? X square plus 7 is equal to 0. What can I write? 1x square 0 into x plus 7 equal to 0. Then you have to check it by its standard form. Plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Clearly this is in the form. Here a is 1, b is 0 and c is equal to 7. Okay, and this is, we can say yes, this is in quadratic form. Come, one more part we are going to do, fifth part. 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. So what to do? I am using here distributive property. See, I am multiplying 2x to both the terms. 2x into x is 2x square. Here minus 6x. Minus 1 into x is minus 1x, can I write? Minus and minus will become plus 3 is. Okay. Here again same thing I am doing. Using distributive property. X into x is x square. This is minus 1x. This is plus 5x. And here minus 5. And come, yes. Now what I am going to do, see here. I am simplifying here. Minus 6 and minus 1 is minus 7x plus 3 is equal to x square minus 1x plus 5x. This is your plus 4x minus 5. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am sending these all three terms here left hand side. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 minus x square minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Now come on, try to simplify. Here plus 2x square, here is minus x square. This will become 1x square. Here is minus 7x, here is minus 4x. Minus 7 and minus 4 will become minus 11x. This is minus 11x. Now see, plus 3 and plus 5 is coming plus 8. Plus 8 equal to 0. Now try to compare. This is I am comparing by its standard form. Clearly a is coming 1, a is 1, b is here minus 11 and c is here 8. Then we can say yes, the given fifth part is showing the quadratic equation. Yes, the next question is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. What to do? You have to check this is the equation is in quadratic form or not. Okay. Now see, this is clearly x square plus 3x plus 1. We cannot do anything. This is look like a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Here is a square. This is a square minus 2ab. 2. A is x and b is 2 again. Plus b square is here. Okay, now come on, x square plus 3x plus 1 is already here. What will come? X square minus 4x plus 4. Okay, now I am sending all these one side. X square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square plus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. Isn't it? Now see, after simplifying, this is 0x square will come. 1 minus 1 0. Here is 3x plus 4x. It will come 7x. And here 1 and minus 4. This will become minus 3. This is minus 3. Now standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is a? A is here 0. B is here 7. And c is minus 3. See, if a is coming 0, then clearly we can say this is not in quadratic equation form. This is not in quadratic equation form. Okay, come on, one more question we are doing. See here, this is x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x x square minus 1. Okay, for that what we know, What is a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. See, I have written here. Okay, I will use this thing for LHS. Okay, now come on. A cube, it means x cube plus b cube. B cube means 2 cube means what? 8 plus 3 ab. A is x and b is 2. Then in bracket a plus b means this. This is 2x into x square. I can write this 2x cube minus 2x. Okay. Now come on, x cube plus 8 plus 6x into x plus 2. Okay. Then here what is coming? 2x cube minus 2x. Okay. I am solving this. See, 8. What will come? 6x square. Here is 12x minus 2x cube plus 2x is equal to 0. Okay, now see this and this. This is minus 1x cube. How many? What is square term here? Plus 6x square. Check it. X term 12x plus 2x. This is plus 14x. Then plus 8 is equal to 0. Clearly you see this is your cubic polynomial, no? Up to here. Okay. Degree of this polynomial here up to here, this is 3. So this is not your quadratic equation, this is your cubic equation because here equal to 0 is given to you. This is not quadratic equation.